Imagine success as a jigsaw puzzle, complex and intricate. Each piece signifies a step, a decision, a risk taken. But what about the missing pieces? Those are the lessons learned. Failure is not a dead end, but a detour. It's a detour that leads to a hidden piece of your success puzzle. When you stumble, you're not falling. You're finding another piece. Triumph is not built on flawless victories, but on lessons learned from defeats. Each setback is a setup for an astonishing comeback. Like a puzzle, every piece, every lesson contributes to the bigger picture. So next time you face a hurdle, remember it's not a blockage, it's a stepping stone. Because in the puzzle of success, the missing pieces are found in the lessons learned. Remember, your puzzle is unique and only you can complete it. End of voiceover.